Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna be reviewing Sony's SRS-XB43 portable speaker, and if that sounds cool, let's dive right into it. Now the Sony SRS-XB43 is a $182 speaker and a well-built portable speaker, as you can see, and it can be used either horizontally or vertically. It depends on your choice. And when it comes to style, what I love about this is that it comes with RGB lights on each side. I'm a gamer, trust me, this looks beautiful when I'm maybe playing on my mobile phone. And by the way, you can use an app to choose between lots of different colors to play with. Also, this rectangular shaped speaker is amazingly portable, small, and also since it's battery powered, you can bring it outdoors. And also, as a bonus, if your phone is out of use, there is a USB-A port. You can use it at the back to charge your phone. Also, since it is an outdoor speaker, it's rated IP67 for both dust and water resistance. But for this case, for now, I don't test that. Its net wrapping around the speaker is also durable, as you can see it, which sounds good. Plus, the Sony SRS-XB43 comes with controls, which are personally kind of impressive. On top of the speaker, trust me, you'll see physical buttons that let you power it on and off, active Bluetooth pairing buttons, pause and play buttons, volume buttons, and live or stamina mode buttons. Anyways, if you also don't know this, live mode helps you to create a more immersive 3D audio experience, while stamina mode will help you save more power, which is kind of cool to me. And having these kind of buttons that will help me like switch between both modes is kind of helpful. And going to the back of the speaker, you will find the buttons for stereo pairing, party mode, and the battery button that lets you activate the beautiful RGB lights. And speaking of the battery, also the Sony SRS-XB43 has an impressive battery performance, and every time I use it, I get an amazing 15 hours of playtime on a single charge. Can you believe that? Although also it can even go beyond that while in stamina mode, because I remember I used stamina mode while playing and it lasted for almost 24 hours. Now when it comes to connectivity, also you can play music via the aux input and other ports, which you'll find whereby you get a micro SD card, where it also supports a micro SD card, and the USB audio, which is kind of helpful. Nowadays it doesn't support USB audio, or it doesn't also support Wi-Fi connection, which is kind of annoying, but I don't have any problem with that. But before you buy this speaker, you should know that this speaker does not have voice assistant capabilities, although you can use voice assistant when paired with a smartphone. Personally, the selling point of the speaker is that it is IP67 rated, which is kind of cool, and also it's very portable and durable. And the cause of buying this is that the compression artifacts are at max level, or volume level is max, which is kind of battery consuming, but I don't care about that. Also, it ain't that a big deal. Personally, I found this very good, a very good speaker. I found it very good, and if you want to buy it, I have a link or discounted for us who are viewing this channel. and it's already in the description. You can check the description for an Amazon link. Also, if you need full specs of the speaker, I already wrote an article. You can check it out in the description from my website. And yeah, let me know what you think about this video in the comments. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments. And if you found this video informative, please make sure to smash the like button. It really helps me, motivate me a lot. And with that said, till next time, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.